Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about influencer marketing. Let's see what is influencer marketing. An influencer is a person who can persuade a large number of people, typically through traditional or social media. A brand operates with an online influencer to promote one of its goods or services. How does influencer marketing work? An influencer is paid to promote a brand's goods or services to their audience and followers through traditional or social media platforms. For example, Instagram is a widely used and the most famous platform in the world for influencer marketing. For promoting a product and service, the influencer receives free goods, cash, or price reductions on relatively expensive goods as rewards. Benefits of influencer marketing. Brand awareness growth. Influencers share your brand's identity, purpose, and concepts with their follower base. Your online presence, brand awareness, and outreach are automatically increased. Enhancement of the content strategy. To increase brand awareness, marketers can share, reshare, or collaborate with the influencer's content and encourage their followers to create user-generated content. Quality lead generation. When an influencer's audience strongly matches the target market for the brand and the influencer offers to persuade followers to use the product, it can be a very effective form of lead generation. Cost effectiveness. Other marketing channels need recurring funding from your budget. For instance, you must top up your account on the advertising platform in order to use search engine marketing to promote your brand. Otherwise, your advertisement vanishes from the search engine results page. A well-planned influencer marketing strategy can help you get better results for less money or even open the door to future bartering. Thank you for watching till the end. We'll meet in the next video with such useful information.